The Medical Cannabis Minute, presented by CannabisExpertMD.com.
Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Nickel, your cannabis expert for CannabisExpertMD.com with a medical cannabis.
I am often asked what a good introductory text to medical cannabis would be. Most of the texts available are highly technical. A new book entitled A Microscopic View of Medical Cannabis, written by talented researcher and my colleague Kathy Hegel, bridges that gap, being very well referenced and detailed enough for the cannabis practitioner to find of use, but also written in a manner that will allow patients to find the information provided useful in guiding them on obtaining the best results possible using this ancient medication. A Microscopic View of Medical Cannabis is available on Amazon and everywhere books are sold.
You can find out more information about medical cannabis at CannabisExpertMD.com. We're also available on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under Cannabis Expert